Good morning, all of you. Well, today is Friday, and very good morning, all of you. Once again, a hearty welcome to the Konika BBA BCA College, Bijapur. Well, students, so Deepavali and Dasara is near to you. So, on same day, we are completing our marketing syllabus also. So, this is the last what we are discussing, the model number 5, and today we are discussing that is a type of intermediators. This is the last one, and we also be finishing before the Deepavali. So that is nothing but as a principles of marketing we are completing. But when the reopening of your offline classes, then I will start once again for the repeating of the same subject. So we will be sit together, or we will be in the class, and face to face we will be start the classes and all. And I am requesting you, there are so many students, I think they are busy in festival, but anyhow, those who are completed internal blue books, so kindly submit it in office immediately. So this is my request to you. Well, model number 5, subject principles of marketing, and today's discussion is that types of intermediators. Intermediators is nothing but as a they are the agent. They are playing the role in between the manufacturers and the customers. In between those who are coming, we are calling as a intermediators or a agent. This is nothing but as a distribution method or a channels of distribution in between the manufacturer and the customer, who will be play the important role to be reaching your material from the point of production to the point of consumption. Those who are coming, we are calling as a intermediators. So what are the types of intermediators? So there are several type of intermediators. So in that, who are there? So today we have to know types of intermediators. There are a totally 4 different type of intermediators or agent, and comes in the consumer field or in marketing field. They are taking a material from the production points, and they are reaching your production to the consumer point. That they are giving a duty by the intermediator or agent. So how many types are there? So first one we have to know broker and agents. Broker is also nothing but as a mediator, intermediator, or a agent who will play a role to bringing a material from the manufacturer or a supplier and sending to the consumer point. He is a main duty we are calling as a broker. But on commission basis they are doing their business, and also percentage basis, but they are never ownership of a product. Only they are taking material from the manufacturer on the commission basis and percentage basis, and they are sending to the next stage, and they are not a owner of the product. They are not buy the product, only they are taking material and sending to the another side. So for that, whatever the rate or percentage commission they will be taking, we are calling as a broker or a agent. They are buying material from the manufacturer, they are sending to the another stage. So that is their duty. Whatever the percentage and whatever the commission will comes, they are taking, and they are the not owner of the product. That is the first one. Then second one, wholesaler and reseller. So these people, wholesaler, they are buying on the large quantity from the manufacturer, and same thing they are selling reseller to the another seller, reseller them. So means that whatever material they are taking from the manufacturer on large quantity, we are calling as a wholesaler, and that same material again they will be resell to the another seller. So this is nothing but as a called as a wholesaler and the reseller. They are buying manufacturer and resell this is nothing but as a wholesaler. They are buying on the large quantity from the manufacturer. Again, they will be resell to the another party. So that is nothing but as a wholesaler, reseller. Then distributor. Distributor, they are nothing but as a the company people, they are appointed these distributor on the contract basis, and they are giving all the rights to them. Distributor, they can sell on their own names, and whatever the agreement amount, either they have to be make a partnership or percentage basis, depend upon the contract, and they are selling that. And advertisement and all these things, sometimes they will be by the company, or sometimes they will be bear by the same distributor. Distributor is nothing but as he is also a some partner, or they are appointed by the company, they are appointed by the manufacturer to give all the rights to him, and whatever the material will come, they are sending to the distributor, and remaining job it will be by the distributor will do. Only manufacturing, they are manufacturing and sending to the distributor. As per that, commission basis, or it will be percentage basis, or they have a partnership basis. So that it will be same in the these people what they are doing, they are taking all material and sending to the different locations. That is their duty by the distributor. And lastly, it is a nothing but as a retailer. It is a last channel from the manufacturer point of view to the consumer for the one stage. That is nothing but as a retailer. From the retailer, the consumer will buy from the retailers. So retailer is nothing but as a middleman in between wholesaler and retailer. In retailer, again they have to be giving a material to the retailer. Wholesaler given by the retailer. Retailer will be sell on the counter to the customers. This is nothing but as a retailer. Retailer is the last stage where the material will come in stock. From there, the consumer will be buying from them. He is called as a retailer. So there are how many? 4 types of intermediary in between the manufacturer and the consumer. They are to be playing very important role to the sending material or buying material from the manufacturer and sending to the customer's stage. We are calling as a broker or agent, wholesaler or reseller, distribution or distributor, and retailer, middleman in between the wholesaler and retailer. These are the 4 types we have to remember in examination. 4-5 marks questions it will comes. So here we are ending our, that is nothing but principles of marketing syllabus. So I am really thankful to you, those people who are listening. This is a online classes and all this thing. If you have any problems and all this thing, please call back me. I have given already numbers. I have numbers. Those numbers also you have to be call me if you have any problems. I will solve other problems and all this thing. So take care and see you in the next class for the next subject and all this thing. Thank you very much.